Imagine waking up one day and you created the YouTube video that you've always wanted to create. You finally stepped into your power to become a YouTuber, and you're like, I did it. I'm confident. I love what I'm creating. And so many people are finding my page and my videos. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I can't believe I waited this long to get started. And all of a sudden, just for laughs, you go on Google to do a little more research on your videos because you're seeing so much success on your channel where you thought nobody would want to listen. And you end up on Google's first page. Not with just one video, but multiple videos. Like, literally, you're looking at your video on Google's first page for a certain keyword that your video is about. Ladies and gentlemen, that is what happened to me. It was wild. I couldn't imagine getting in front of thousands of people with a video idea that I was just trying to help someone because I knew I could create a better video than what was out there on YouTube. And not only did it happen for one of my very first videos on YouTube, it happened multiple times. And that is the power of YouTube. And if you didn't know, Google owns YouTube. So it's a lot easier for you to get ranked on Google with YouTube videos versus any other social media platform. And that's the power YouTube has, that it works and coincides with the number one search engine in the entire world. And then YouTube becomes the second search engine in the entire world, not just in the United States, not just in, certain keywords in the world. So this means you have the power, if you just take action and believing in yourself, to create a YouTube channel that changes the world, because you will be rewarded in ways you didn't see. There are no guarantees that every video that you create on YouTube will be featured on Google's first page. But wouldn't it be awesome to see your own video and for you to show it off to your family and friends like, I'm on Google's first page? If that is something you want to do, feel free to click the training on my page where I show you step by step on how to monetize your passion today.